Hello car enthusiasts, today we will explore a special character, the 2025 Jeep Wagoneer Command Operations Vehicle, also known as the Wagoneer COV. This is a special version that Stellantis has just introduced, developed specifically at the request of government agencies and law enforcement forces in the US. Jeep officially enters the field of VIP transportation and law enforcement with a completely new model, 2025 Jeep Wagoneer Command Operations Vehicle, COV. Developed specifically at the request of federal, state and local government agencies, the Jeep Wagoneer COV provides the optimal transportation solution for VIP protection, motorcade and large-scale tactical operations. The vehicle is now available to order at Stellantis dealers across the United States, with Canadian availability to follow in 2026. Making its public debut at a major Stellantis customer event at the M1 Concourse in Pontiac, Michigan, the Jeep Wagoneer COV quickly caught the eye of more than 200 fleet operators, including Stellantis North America COO Antonio Filosa and other senior executives. With missions ranging from government convoys in Washington, D.C. to special requests across the United States, the Jeep Wagoneer COV is poised to become the new standard for VIP security transportation, said Ryan Austin, Stellantis Law Enforcement Program Manager. The combination of Jeep's refinement and rugged performance is a solid foundation for this COV to serve long in the most demanding missions in terms of safety and performance.